is calm, the world asleep. I hear the ocean breathe so deep. Every wave, a gentle tone, reminds me I'm not alone. The stars align, the night expands. I feel the time slip through my hands. Between the dark, the light begins. A quiet space where peace begins. I lose my fear, I lose control. The still horizon calls my soul. On the still horizon's line, I find a truth that once was mine. Every silence, every hue reflects the calm inside of you. Floating slow, I disappear. No more noise, no more fear. Through the light, the waves align. I drift beyond the edge of time. The moonlight glows across the sea, painting endless memories. I close my eyes, I fade to gray. The night becomes my only way. The breeze carries words unspoken, healing hearts that once were broken. Every breath I take feels new. The sky unfolds a deeper view. My mind is clear, my heart is free. The still horizon comforts me. On the still horizon's line, I find a truth that once was mine. Every silence, every hue reflects the calm inside of you. Floating slow, I disappear. No more noise, no more fear. Through the light, the waves align. I drift beyond the edge of time. The world stands still, my soul unwinds. I leave the weight of life behind. Every color turns to sound as peace and rhythm boast around. On the still horizon's line, hearts like oceans intertwine. Every tear a spark of grace, lost in this eternal space. Floating slow, I disappear. The quiet song I long to hear. Through the night, through the sun, I drift beyond the edge of time. The stars will fade, the sea will glow. I'll meet myself where I let go. In silence pure, my heart will find peace along the still horizon. becomes a distant sound, a rhythm lost but never found. The moonlight paints the air so thin, I lose myself and breathe again. I find my peace, I find my place. Between the beats I find your trace. And in the dark I understand. The quiet speaks, it takes my hand. In the silent pulse I'm alive. Through the dark I still survive. Every breath is steady flame, calling softly out my name. In the silent pulse I belong. In the quiet I am strong. Every wave beneath my skin beats the life I hold within. The soundless wind, the empty air still remind me you were there. Every silence holds your tune, like faded light beneath the moon. In the silent pulse I'm alive, where lost dreams still survive. Every beat, both soft and true, pulls me closer back to you. In the silent pulse I remain, through the stillness, through the rain. Every wave beneath my skin whispers peace from deep within. The sound is gone, but I still hear the pulse of life that keeps me near. In every hush and every low, I find my soul. The silent pull. The silent pull. The night is gone, the world awakes, a golden glow across the lakes. The breeze is soft, the sky is new, the world reborn in golden hue. My heartbeat flows, my mind is clear. I let go of the doubt and fear. The day unfolds, the time is kind. The past is soft, it stays behind. The sky expands, the colors glow. I rise with everything I know. The air is calm, the rhythm slow. I breathe at dawn, I let it show. Golden rise, lead me through. Show me skies in brighter hue. Every shadow fades away when the morning lights the way. Golden rise, pure and free. Breathe your sunlight into me. Every heart, every side comes alive in golden sky. Let it shine, don't hold it back. The world will follow in your track. Every spark becomes a flame, every tear forgets its name. Golden rise, take me home, where I'm free, where I've grown. Every light across the sea reflects the hope inside of me. Golden rise, pure and true. Every dream is born anew. Through the calm and through the sky, I'll keep shining. Golden rise. The world is warm, my soul complies. I breathe again beneath golden skies. The skyline glows, the day's undone, the city hums, the stars have won. I see reflections in the glass of dreams we built that came to pass. The air is gold, the light is clear, the night is soft, the truth is near. In every spark that fades apart, I hear the beat of my skyline heart, and I can feel it pulling me through the sound of destiny. My skyline heart, it shines for you. Through the dark and through the blue. Every light, every spark guides me home through the dark. My skyline heart, it won't decay. It finds the calm in night's display. Every rhythm, every part breathes in you. My skyline heart. The wind is warm, the streets are white. I chase the glow, I don't hide. The city moves, but I stand still beneath the stars. I feel the thrill. Every shadow softly sways. The echoes hum our yesterdays. The world's alive, the sky's awake. The moment's ours to recreate. Every dream begins to start in the glow of my skyline heart. My skyline heart, it shines for you through the dark and through the blue. Every light, every spark guides me home through the dark. My skyline heart, it won't decay. It finds the calm in a night's display. Every rhythm, every part breathes in you. My skyline heart. Let it go, let it be. We're alive in melody. Every sound a brand new start, pulsing through. My skyline heart, it shines for you, glowing bright the whole night through. Every tear and every mark lights the dark like city sparks. My skyline heart, it won't decay. The stars will guide our way. Every is soft. It calls my name. In the aurora drift, I'm free, floating through infinity. Every color soft and wild, feels like earth and heaven smile. In the aurora drift, I stay. All my fears just fade away. Every breath becomes a gift as I fall into the drift. The light moves slow, it touches me. The sky becomes a melody. I hear the pulse of something real, the peace the universe can feel. Drift away, drift away, drift away. In the aurora drift, I'm whole. Every spark becomes my soul. Every shade of red and blue carries me away to you. In the aurora drift, I stay. Love and silence light the way. Every breath, every gift, live forever. The colors fade, but I remain peaceful now beyond the rain. In the quiet, I still live through the stars. In aurora drift. Aurora drift. The night is slow, the air is still. I chase the sound, I lose my will. The city fades, the noise is gone, but my heart keeps moving on. Reflections on the empty glass remind me how the moments pass. I see your shadow soft and white. It disappears with morning's tide. The world turns quiet, soft and slight beneath the glow of fading light. Fading lights don't go away. Keep the dark and doubt at bay. Every heartbeat, every sigh burns beneath the silent sky. Fading lights, I see you still. Shine darkened out at bay. Every heartbeat, every sigh burns beneath the silent sky. Fading lights, I see you still, shining softly on the hill. Every echo, every tone feels like I'm not all alone. I still hear your voice in rain, calling softly through the pain. Every shimmer, every spark carries warmth into the dark. Fading lights don't fade too fast. Hold this moment, let it last. Every dream we left behind still remains within my mind. Fading lights, I feel you near. Your glow still whispers in my ear. Every echo, every tone leads me back to where I've grown. The night moves on, the stars ignite, but I still shine in fading light.
I see the stars reflect your eyes, 1,000 dreams across the skies. The night is slow, the air is clear. Your memory pulls me near. The silence hums a melody.
It's whispering you back to me. I breathe your name, the lights respond. The universe and I belong. And in the dark I hear your tone, a starlight echo, not my own.
In the starlight echo, I remain. Through the calm, through the rain. Every shimmer, every hue sings a quiet song of you. In the starlight echo, I believe what we lost we can retrieve.
Every sound, every echo, I believe what we lost we can retrieve. Every sound, every glow feels like you. The starlight echo.
The sky unfolds its silver wings. The night begins, the silence sings. The world stands still, the city sleeps. I count the stars that love still keeps.
The distance fades, the air is kind. I leave my fears so far behind. The stars remind me what is true. The light remains because of you.
Between the beats, between the lines, I find your voice within the sigh.
In the starlight echo, I remain. Through the calm, through the rain. Every shimmer, every hue sings a quiet song of you. In the starlight echo, I believe
still carries light from me to you. In the starlight echo I remain, through the love and through the pain. Every whisper, every glow drifts forever soft and slow. In the starlight echo I believe what we give is what we weave. Every spark, every love lives in you. The starlight echo. The night will fade, the stars will go, but I'll still hear your starlight echo.
Beneath the veil of silver night, I lose my fears in fading light. The stars are calling, soft and low. I follow where their whispers go. My heart dissolves in cosmic rain. The quiet soothes the ache and pain. The moonlight hums, the shadows sigh. I drift into the endless sky. And in this glow I find release. The night becomes my only peace. Midnight veil, cover me, hide the scars I used to see. Every breath a gentle prayer, floating softly through the air. Midnight veil, calm and deep, sing me slow until I sleep. Every thought, every trail fades away in midnight veil. The constellations start to fade, but in the dark my hope is made. I hear your voice, I see your flame. The stars all whisper out your name. The silence wraps around my soul. It fills the cracks, it makes me whole. The night reveals what day can't show. The peace within begins to grow. I close my eyes, I start to feel the world is quiet, calm and real. Midnight veil, cover me, hide the scars I used to see. Every breath a gentle prayer, floating softly through the air. Midnight veil, calm and deep, sing me slow until I sleep. Every thought, every trail fades away in midnight veil. The world outside begins to slow. My mind lets go, the rivers flow. In quiet dark I find my truth. The night returns what I once knew. across the sky, midnight veil. Hold me tight through the silence of the night. Every sound, every trail drifts away in midnight veil. Drift away. Stars grow dim, the dawn grows pale. I'll dream again in